The DJI Air 2S has experienced tremendous growth within the DJI product line since its debut in 2021. It succeeds in bringing a variety of premium features generally found in the Mavic series, all crammed into a little drone with a lower price tag. With the launch of the eagerly anticipated DJI Air 3, DJI has finally met this anticipation. The large twin-camera module that is placed front and center on each drone makes it easy to tell the two drones apart. The new DJI Air 3 differs from its predecessor, the DJI Air 2S, thanks to this noteworthy innovation. We thoroughly analyzed the DJI Air 3 and Air 2S to discover all the enhancements and adjustments. Let's dive into the video. The DJI Air 3 features a refreshed design aligning with the aesthetics of DJI's latest drones like the Mavic 3 Pro and Mini 3 Pro. The drone showcases slimmer arms, a sleek back camera housing, and a reduced overhang above the gimbal, enabling users to capture low-angle shots with ease. Moreover, the Air 3 is bigger than the Air 2S in all aspects, whether it's folded or unfolded. Additionally, it carries an extra 125-gram weight, bringing its total weight to 720 grams. While you may notice the variant in your backpack, in terms of regulatory considerations, the difference between the two drones is relatively minor. The Air 3 has undergone a sensor arrangement overhaul, offering omnidirectional obstacle sensing capability, a significant improvement over the Air 2S, which lacks lateral obstacle sensing. Moreover, the Air 3 stands out with its dual camera setup, whereas the Air 2S is equipped with just a single camera. We'll delve deeper into the specifics of these cameras shortly. One of the most prominent distinctions in the camera systems lies in the fact that the DJI Air 3 offers a dual lens setup, providing users with tool-that's options to choose from, unlike the single lens on the Air 2S. Drawing inspiration from the success of the Mavic 3 Pro's triple camera array, the Air 3 also incorporates the fantastic 70mm focal length, which has proven to be a highlight for photography enthusiasts. By opting for the longer lens on the DJI Air 3, you can capture scenes from a significantly distinct perspective.
Want to earn money? You have no idea about trading? No problem. Here is Hilton Meta FX. If we are talking about benefits, you can earn profit 1 to 3% with AlgoBot Daily and 2 to 5% with SuperBot. Not only that, you can earn 10% from direct refer and 80% from team generation income. At last, you can earn royalty income also. Here is the team level bonus. This is rank and monthly income. Royalty income. Why your invest is secure here. You can withdraw your invested amount anytime. You can withdraw your earning money 24/7. Your investment and profit will be deposited into your Meta MT5 wallet. Many people are earning here a huge amount of money. Here you can see all proofs here. Still afraid? For more details, join our WhatsApp group. Link is given in the description box. And I have given my Hilton Meta link in the description also.
Sending your footage apart from the usual drone shots that often utilize wide fields of view. The use of this longer lens adds a unique and eye-catching quality to your videos, making them stand out in comparison to the more common drone footage captured with wide-angle views. While the sensors on the DJI Air 3 are slightly smaller than the 1-inch sensor found in the Air 2S, they incorporate more advanced technology. The Air 2S features a 20-megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor, whereas the Air 3 boasts dual 48-megapixel stacked CMOS sensors at 1/1.3 in size. This enhancement not only results in higher resolution still images but also enables faster readout, allowing for impressive slow-motion recording at up to 4K at 100 FPS. In contrast, the Air 2S can only achieve a maximum of 1080p at 120 FPS for slow-motion footage. Although, the Air 3 offers the maximum video resolution of 4K, slightly lower than the 5.4K resolution of the Air 2S, it manages to outshine its predecessor in terms of video quality for both cameras. Despite the low resolution and slightly smaller sensors, the footage captured by the Air 3 appears noticeably superior. The most noteworthy enhancement to the flying experience comes with the introduction of the O4 transmission system in the Air 3, which enables you to fly at greater distances while enjoying a stronger and more reliable video signal. Moreover, the O4 system exhibits superior performance in penetrating through obstacles like wall and foliage, surpassing the capabilities of the previous O3 system. This advancement significantly improved the overall flying experience with the Air 3. The O4 image transmission system provides up to 1080p at 60 FPS, monitoring with a substantial 10 megabit bitrate, far surpassing the Mega 12 Mbps offered by the O3 downlink. This means that while you're flying, you can enjoy a much clearer and more detailed view of your final image, enabling you to make more precise adjustments even focusing manually from a considerable distance. The improved video stream quality takes the aerial experience to a whole new level with the DJI Air 3. Now, when it comes to flying abilities, the DJI Air 3 excels and surpasses the Air 2S in nearly every aspect. It boasts slightly higher speeds in both horizontal and vertical movements, and exhibits greater resistance to higher wind speeds. Additionally, the Air 3 provides an impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes per battery, which is a significant improvement compared to the Air 2S that used to offer 31 minutes of flight time. Overall, the Air 3 proves to be a superior performer in various crucial aspects. When the DJI Air 2S was first released in April 2021, it had an initial price tag of $999. However, over time the price has been lowered to $799, making it somewhat more affordable. On the other hand, the DJI Air 3 launched at a slightly higher price point of $1,099. In conclusion, undoubtedly the DJI Air 3 takes the crown as the superior drone in various aspects. It excels in flight performance, offering smoother flying capabilities and an extended flight time. Moreover, its camera setup with dual lens options further sets it apart, enabling users to capture exceptional footage from different perspectives. However, the Air 2S is far from irrelevant. It has benefits of its own such as larger sensor, high-resolution video capture, and a more compact and lightweight design. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.